Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Ali and I am back with a very quick video to show you guys how to create logos and banners for your YouTube channel. So normally I use Microsoft Copilot. You can use other AI tools as well, but Copilot being integrated in Windows 11, you can create or generate logos from there. So without further ado, I'm going to just show you quickly what we can do with that. So if we go to Copilot and right over here, create a logo for my YouTube channel, which has videos related to, now you can tell Copilot what kind of niche you are following to create videos. So for example, I put historical events and let it do its magic. So it's gonna take some time and it's gonna create a video, an image. Like for example, if you can see on the screen, if you don't like it, you can ask it, can you try again? And you can mention also add YouTube logo within the image. Okay. If it does not appeal to you, you can always add more information, like make the logo more colorful, add certain subjects to it. So now you can see, something like this, which it has created makes sense. So we can just download that. Once it is downloaded, we go back to our YouTube channel. We'll click on, as you know, I am working on this channel called What If. So I'm going to just show you how I can change the logo. You click on this, and then it's going to take you to the main page. You click on Customize Channel, and there you go. So what you need to do is just press change on the picture and then select your logo and accordingly change it to what you want, to what you downloaded. I'm not going to do that now, but this is how you can do that. The same thing you need to do, you have to do with the banner as well. What you can do is you can just go to Copilot, tell the Copilot exactly something similar to what you did before, but just mention create a banner for my YouTube logos, and the banner should be of 16:9 aspect ratio. So once you do that, it's gonna generate a banner for you. You can try multiple times and see whichever is useful to you or whichever appeals to you, and you can just add it to your YouTube channel. So sometimes you can see, the text is not very grammatically correct. You can always try again, download it, and then update the banner. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.